ran out of time. But we were at -3 minus y equals -5. We're going to add the 3 to get rid of the -3. Negative y equals -2. Remember, that means -1y. So if we want to get rid of that, we can always divide by -1 or multiply by -1. And that would give us positive y equals +2. We write it as a coordinate. Our x was 1, our y was 2. All right, let's keep it going. Nothing matches. So you can multiply one equation or you can multiply both equations. I like to see if I can get away with just multiplying one. So 5 doesn't go into 9, but y could go into 5y if you just multiplied it by 5. So let's try that. And don't forget, we want one of these to be positive and one to be negative. So I can fix that problem now if I multiply by -5. -5 times 5x is -25x. -5 times y is -5y. And -5 times -6 is 30. I'm going to write the top line right underneath this so I don't get lost in my brain. Now we're matched up, ready to eliminate. -25 plus 9 is -16. For the x's, y's are canceled. 30 and 18 gets us 48. Why not? Should we just divide out that -16 right now? Sure. X equals -3. Yes. Yes. We need y. You can use the originals, you can use the new one. I'm going to use the original equation number 2. That one looks the easiest to me. 5x plus y equals -6. 5 times -3 is -15 plus y equals -6. How do you unload -15? Yeah, you add 15. Always do the inverse operation. -6 plus 15 is 9. Look at us, we're gonna write a coordinate. -3 and 9. Second verse is the same as the first. Number 19 and K, alright, they don't match up. But 4 goes into 12 3 times. So let's just multiply that by 3. But again, we want one to be positive, one to be negative. So let's multiply by -3. -3 times 4x is -12x. -3 times -7y is +21y. And -3 times 5 is -15. Now if we look at these two equations, 12x minus 12x is nothing, 0, which we wanted. -21y plus 21y is also 0. 15 plus -15, that's 0. Yes, this is the infinitely many solutions. So if we graphed these two lines, they would fall right over each other. They would be the exact same line. Cool. Now, if that came out to like 0 equals 4, that's not true, so you would write no solution. X minus 12y, 9x plus 6y. Now, x can go into 9x, 6 can go into 12 if I just multiply by 2. I'd rather multiply by 2 than 9. That's just personal preference. Either way works. So let's try that. We're going to multiply by 2, and that would give us 12y, but we want -12y, so we'll do -2. -2 times 9x is -18x. -2 times 6y is -12y. And -2 times -6 is +12. Here's my top line again, 1x. I don't know why I did -2. Sorry, I'll fix that in a second. Should have just done 2. Sorry about that. So now I have to fix my own mistake. I'm going to switch one of the lines. So I'll just switch the top one so that it's like we just multiply by regular 2. I'm running out of time, so I will start the next video after this.